This is a 2017 Dodge Ram, and I'm sure it's going to work on other models too. But how to get this window to move up and down without having power. So I can't get power. Even if I put a battery on here, it ain't going to work. I've tried. I couldn't figure out which wires to put to basically put power to the motor. So this is what I did. A T25. Got it on the drill, unscrewed the motor. So just remove your door panel, a few pins all the way around. Pull the motor out, get something that fits in there, and just twist it. And look at that, it goes down or up. And then reinstall the motor. If for some reason your motor's out and you just need to get the window to go up, you could do that.